Good morning, Papa from Quinton Family Farm. It's a beautiful day today. Got the lawn mowed yesterday. Fed the cows this morning. Rosie's fed to the horse. There's Bear. Luke and them are up on the porch. Come on, guys. I gotta mow that part of the lawn today. It is bright and sunny. In the 70s already, I believe. There's the cows down there chomping away at their food. Bought them a bale of straw. I still gotta do some repairs on their feeder. It didn't sync correctly when I put it together real quick. It only took me probably a couple hours to put that together, so I should have took my time, but I didn't. How you doing, buddy? Right over there, in between them, all underneath those trees, there's a bunch of straw. Still have a half a bale left to spread out for them. They lay down in there, and looks like they poop in there too. Yeah. But they got some alfalfa and some oats. I gotta fix that thing. There's Duke. Bubba's up there on the trampoline. So yeah, Sunday morning. Gonna take it easy. Gotta go pick up some orchard hay today. Kids will still be working on this thing. Still a lot of work to be done on that. I think I'll have a barbecue tonight. Gotta clean this place up. But yeah, a lot of work done around here. Yeah. Catch you on the next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.